Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today we have to start with a new lesson, which is a chapter 41, decimals 2, page 131. Are you ready? Let's start. How to write a decimal fraction in the form of a decimal number. Let's take the first example, 14 over 10. First of all, we have to take the 14 as it is. Okay? Then I will count one digit because we have 1 0 down. Beside the 1 down in the 10, we have 1 0. So we count one digit to locate the point. I will count one digit from the right side, then I will put the point. I get 1.4. This is the decimal fraction and this is the decimal number. Another example, 148 over 10. The same. First we have to take 148 as it is. Then I will count one digit because we have 0 down, 1 0. Okay? Then we have to count one digit to put the point. Then I will put it here. I get 14.8. This is the decimal fraction and this is the decimal number. Write decimal number in the form of a decimal fraction. Now the inverse. We have to write the decimal number in the form of a decimal fraction. Decimal fractions means fraction with denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Okay? Let's take the first example, 683.1. How can we write it as a decimal fraction? First of all, we have to take this number as it is without the point and I will put it in the numerator. Okay? Over. In the denominator, we have to count how many digits after the point you have. One digit. Excellent. Then we have to put over 10. Okay? We have to put over 10 because we have one digit after the point. We have to see 1 0 beside the one here. Okay? This is the decimal number and this is the decimal fraction. One more example, 34.6. First of all, we have to write the number as it is in the numerator but without the point. 346 as it is without the point over how many? Over 10. Excellent, because we have one digit after the point, we have to put over 10. This is the decimal number and this is the decimal fraction. How to read a decimal number? If we have this decimal number, first of all, we have the whole part before the point. And we start with the ones digit, then tens, then hundreds. After the point, we have the decimal part. And the first digit after the point is called the tenth digit. Now, if I want to read it, I read it 358 as it is 0.7. Then, to read this number, we read the number before the point as it is. Then we say point and we read the number after the point as it is. Okay? Now, to write it in word form, also we have to write 358 and 7/10 or 358.7. Another example, 27.3. I read it 27.3 and I can write it also 27.3. Okay? Or we have to write it 27 and 3/10. Okay? Now we have as a homework to solve exercises 4, 5 and 6, page 132. In exercise number 4, we have to write in words. In the first example, 1.8, we have to write it in words. 1.8 or 1 and 8/10. Excellent. In exercise number 5, we have to circle the 10th digit in red and the 10th digit in blue. Pay attention. I want to circle the 10th digit in red For example, in the first one, the 10th digit is a 3 because it is the first digit after the point. And we have to circle the 10th digit in blue. Where's the 10th digit in the first example? The 10th digit is the second digit before the point, which is the 8. Excellent. Pay attention. If I don't have a 10th digit, I don't circle it. Okay? In exercise number 6, we have to complete with the appropriate number. 20 divided by 10, it's the same as 20 over 10. Okay, and 20 over 10, it's equal to 2.0 or it's equal to 2. Okay, are 2, 28 and 13 decimal numbers? Remember, all whole numbers are decimals. Pay attention, okay? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.